Happy new week, happy new month to everybody. This is the month of August, and it's a pleasure to have you here. And of course, talking about the market based on the majors and gold, we're going to look at what we have in stock. Now, looking at EURUSD here, we talked about this last week based on the wedge, based on this triangle. And looking at what we have right in front of us, you can see that it was tested here, right? And then it pulled to the back to the upside. But this area here is still one to look out for, this whole area. So maybe we could have another retest and then a breakout, pull back to retest that and then drop some more. Who knows? Only time will tell. Today we have the manufacturing PMI for US dollar, right? But other than that, the market should be quiet for today. So this is what we have for EURUSD. And for last week also, we had the dollar, the greenback that ended up in the red, was ended up being bearish, right? And funny thing now is that gold is telling a particular story. If you look at this, we'll be talking about gold for a while now with respect to this range. And look at what we have. We had the gold last week. It appreciated heavily, only to test the highs from mid-July, and then now retrace and pull back. This is still showing that the sellers are still very much in charge, and we need a proper breakout of this range here. Maybe the NFP later this week might give a proper direction. But if we retest these lows again, most likely we might break out, retest, and then drop some more, right? And this is what we have on gold. And of course, the delta variant is something to be wary about, as of course investors are still being cautious as to what they should be investing in. So most times traders will be on the sidelines, right? So from what we have over here, it's best to wait for price to act and then we react accordingly, right? Last week for the Kiwi, for the Aussie, we had it inside the range, right? No significant movement whatsoever. Also for the cable, cable had a nice run up, but then ended up for Friday's profit taking, and of course end of the month profit taking as well. That's how we're able to see all this pullbacks here after a long run for the week, right? So nothing much on the radar for today. Today is a Monday. Probably going to be a bit quiet other than the news coming out for the manufacturing PMI by 3 p.m. The market might most likely be quiet for today. So don't try to be a hero. Don't try to chase the market. Let the market come to you. And of course, always ensure your stop loss is in place. And of course, calculate your risk management appropriately. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And if you have any instrument you would like us to look at, comment in the section below and then we'll see what we can do for you. Okay, thank you, and trade safely today, trade safely this week, and of course, trade safely in this new month. Thank you and goodbye for now.